welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Morgan Stanley's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Morgan Stanley's performance, especially given their impressive results this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Morgan Stanley reported net revenues of $17.7 billion for the first quarter of 2025, up from $15.1 billion a year ago. John, what does this say about their profitability?
It's quite significant. The net income applicable to Morgan Stanley was $4.3 billion, translating to an EPS of $2.60, which is a substantial increase from $2.2 last year. Their return on tangible common equity, or ROE, was an impressive 23.0%, indicating strong profitability and efficient capital use.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.23 based on a survey of 7 analysts. Morgan Stanley delivered an EPS of $60. How significant is this beat?
This is a notable beat by 37 cents, which reflects Morgan Stanley's strong operational performance and strategic execution. Surpassing analyst expectations by such a margin often boosts investor confidence and can positively impact the stock price.
Institutional securities and wealth management. Institutional securities and wealth management are key segments for Morgan Stanley. Can you elaborate on their performance this quarter?
Absolutely. Institutional securities reported record net revenues of $9 billion, driven by strong performance in equity and investment banking. Wealth management also performed well, with revenues of $7.3 billion and a pre-tax margin of 26.6%. They added $94 billion in net new assets, showcasing their ability to attract and manage client wealth effectively.
Investment management and strategic initiatives. Investment management is another critical area. How did it fare, and what strategic initiatives did Morgan Stanley undertake?
Investment management reported revenues of $1.6 billion, with assets under management reaching $1.7 trillion. They saw positive long-term net flows of $5.4 billion. Strategically, Morgan Stanley repurchased $1.0 billion of its common stock, reflecting confidence in their financial health and commitment to returning value to shareholders.
CEO's perspective and future outlook. What insights did CEO Ted Pick provide regarding the firm's strategy and future outlook?
Ted Pick emphasized the firm's strategy to drive durable growth across their global footprint. He highlighted record net revenues and strong equity performance, with $4.1 billion in revenues. The firm manages $7.7 trillion in client assets, underscoring their robust market position and growth potential.
Key takeaways. In summary, Morgan Stanley delivered a strong first quarter with record revenues and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and robust segment performances position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Morgan Stanley's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Morgan Stanley's performance in the comments below.